Good morning, everyone. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. And first of all, I would like to thank Madam Rashmi to invite me as a chief guest. And I take this opportunity as one of my best moments in my life. I have been to several places as a chief guest, but this moment is really very, I must say, this is the most beautiful moment I have ever felt from within. And Madam Rashmi, I would like to say that you are really doing a commendable job, and a big clap for Madam Rashmi. When I came to know that you are working for such a divine thing, it touched my heart. It touched my heart. And today this occasion is very important for every Indian. Being an Indian, we must be very proud that our history is very great one. So we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year, but I would like to request you all that the story hidden behind the struggle of Indian freedom and the heroes who gave their life to make our motherland free from the rule of the Britishers. They just gave their life without any selflessness. So it is my request, it is my personal request to you all, that all of you give importance to our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, and many others. So in today's life, I think that you all will agree that we all have born in independent India. Yes, so we must not be knowing that what would be the time that they had faced earlier before 1947. It took 200 long years to become free. But today the meaning of independence has changed, because we all have born in independent India, and everyone, it is different. The meaning of independence is different for everyone. Independence meaning independence means for every individual it gives a different meaning. Like for you it gives a different meaning, for you it will give a different meaning. Sometimes it becomes the independence of our mind, sometimes it becomes the independence of our thoughts, sometimes it becomes the independence of our living style. But in our day-to-day life, we are just forgetting the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. So it is my personal request that to our next generation and to our children, we must convey, we must tell the great stories of bravery of our freedom fighters. And I would like also to make you take an oath today that in our day-to-day life we will include these freedom fighters, and to our children also we will tell their great stories, because like us also, like us only, our freedom fighters could have spent their life easily, but why they fought for India, why they fought for the freedom? So in today's perspective, in today's time also, we need to understand that we have got that freedom from the rule of Britishers, but some way we are being captured by different things. So we have, being a good citizen, whatever role you have got, whatever is good for a good human being, we have to become a good human being. We have to be social, we have to help each other, we have, because it starts from a small unit. It starts from a small unit. If we will start doing it from our home, it will spread to the society. From our home it will spread to our society, from our society to our district, from our district to the whole state, and from the state to the whole country. We can do so many things for each other. If we find someone in any trouble, we must stop there. We must ask, what is your problem? May I help you? That is a very big thing. So I will not take much time of yours, and I would also like to add something more, that connect these small kids to music also, because the definition of music is an art in which we express our feelings, because it is the language of feelings and every human being can feel. So it is defined that music is an art in which we express our feelings by singing, dancing or playing musical instruments. So Madam Rashmi is already connected to music and she is learning. That is a very good thing, and Madam, you please spread that, your knowledge, and let us take an oath today. All of you, please come here. I would like to request you all, and हम सभी भारतीय आज जो यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हैं, हम सब वचन लेते हैं कि हमारी मातृभूमि को हम हमेशा अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ देंगे। हमारा कर्तव्य, हमारा कार्य मातृभूमि को समर्पित होगा। हम केवल अपने परिवार में और अपने निज जनों में ही एकाग्र नहीं रहेंगे। संपूर्ण भारत, भारत का हर प्रांत, भारत का हर नागरिक हमारे निज जन के समान है। हम अपने कार्य और कर्तव्य निर्वहन से भारत माँ का गौरव हमेशा के लिए बढ़ाएंगे। आज के दिन हमें यह जरूरी नहीं कि हमें जाकर बॉर्डर पे युद्ध लड़ना है, लेकिन हाँ, हम मातृभूमि को पूरे विश्व धरातल पर एक अनूठी पहचान बनाने का युद्ध लड़ेंगे। और आज से, अभी से हम अपने बच्चों को हमारे पूर्वज जिन्होंने अपनी कुर्बानी देकर, अपना बलिदान देकर, अपने परिवार को भूलकर हम लोगों के लिए अपना बलिदान दिया, उनके प्रति हमेशा एक श्रद्धा का भाव रखेंगे। यह हम वचन लेते हैं। और आने वाली पीढ़ियां हमेशा हमारे मार्गदर्शन से हमारे वीर सपूतों को याद करती रहेंगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे वंदे वंदे। आप लोग मेरे साथ एक सॉन्ग का 2 लाइन गाइएगा, ठीक है? 3, 2, 1 गो। मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति का, उन्नति का, प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति का, उन्नति का, प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन, मेरा तन। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। वंदे वंदे वंदे। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद। टाइम हो गया।
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. I request you, Rasli ma'am, please come on stage for your photo. I don't think they just come in. Wish you all the best and happy Independence Day. Congratulations, आज मुझे वोट ऑफ थैंक्स का मौका मिला है यहाँ पर। मैं सबसे पहले अपने चीफ गेस्ट विकास रंजन सर का और डोमी मैम का बच्चों को थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ। बिफोर टाइम रेडी होकर एकदम पहुँच गए हैं। अपनी टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग फ्रेंड्स का थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ। उन्होंने इतना वंडरफुल प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया आज। सही मायने में उसका मीनिंग आज हमने रियलाइज करवाया कि कैसे कितने लोगों का बलिदान कितने सालों तक देने के बाद ये आज़ादी वाली सांसें हम ले रहे हैं। म्यूजिक भी ऐसा ही है, ये हमारे आत्मा को आज़ादी देता है। और साधना का सबसे ईजीएस्ट म्यूजिक थी। तो मैं आशा करती हूँ सर हमसे जुड़ेंगे और हमारे साथ बच्चों के लिए भी एक स्वतंत्रता का इनको भी So thank you all once again and wish you all a very happy week.